The Labor Day sales event is here at Rairdon's of Kirkland. Shop the best deals of the season during our summer clearance, going on now until September 2nd. Gear up for fall with 20% off accessories and huge savings on all your favorite Jeep, Ram, Dodge, and Chrysler models. Save $11,553 off MSRP on a new 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab 4x4. Get a new Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport 4x4 and save over $8,500 off MSRP. Or even lease the all-new 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport S 4x4 for as little as $291 a month. Join us for our family-friendly Labor Day celebration from August 31st to September 2nd. Get a free car wash or windshield chip repair. Bring the kids for a fun time in the game truck, a kid-friendly mobile video gaming experience filled with all the latest video games. And enjoy some sweet treats from Sugar and Spoon. So don't wait, come in today and save at the Labor Day sales event.